This is the Visconti Homo Sapiens Magma fountain pen. It comes in a large grayish-black cardboard box, the Visconti logo on the top of the box lid in silver. There's a red stripe around the sides of the box where the box lid lifts off. And included with the pen is a small pamphlet, information about Visconti. And of course we have the Visconti Homo Sapiens Magma fountain pen. This pen has the same body design as the other Homo Sapiens pens. The difference is just the color of the trim on the pen. This happens to have a red trim on the cap, the rings of the cap, the clip. At the top of the cap, there's a small ring around the medallion and a ring at the center of the pen below the cap, which has Homo Sapiens and the Visconti V logo. And then at the bottom of the barrel is a small red ring. Same design with the hood-safe lock design. You can see the small thread channels here for the cap. It has a small spring-loaded cap that has pressure and just one simple half or quarter twist to pull the cap off. That cap will post on the end of the pen, which it does create quite a long pen, so it's not necessarily needed. It does have a small section with a red ring at the front of the section, and then a 23 Carat Palladium nib. Has a black plating over the top of it, give the black color to match the black feet and the black body of the pen. Just Homo Sapiens is a great design and a great pen. Visconti is located in Italy and the pens are made there. It's just a great pen. Get your Visconti Homo Sapiens Magma fountain pen at penchalet.com.